Hey.
What?
We're doing a video.
Oh, okay. What's the video about?
Your pulling tractor.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So today I'm going to be talking about my pulling tractors. So sometimes how you can tell if it's a pulling tractor or not. Well, these are lawnmower pulling tractors, but this is cut tire. Those are cut tires. These are the same cut tires as those cut tires. And this is also a pulling tractor, but I forgot what these tires are called. This one's not a pulling tractor. Not because the tires are not the same. It just isn't modified to be a pulling tractor. And pulling tractors have weights on it, like that one and that one and that one. But this one over here, it doesn't have weights on it. But this one used to be a lawnmower tractor because it has a lift to lift it and put it down. And now, this one's an International, that one's an International, that one's an International, and that one's an International. But they're also Cub Cadets, like that one, that one, that one, and that one. And this one has 25 horses in it. This one has 14 horses in it. This one has 10 horses in it. This one probably has about like 15 horses in it. I don't know. Okay, now come out here and I'll show you what types of equipment we have. We're going to be putting a video of me pulling my pulling tractors right here. Bye! It's cold outside. I'm putting my hood on. And it's very windy. That's the Kubota, by the way. That's the Puma. That's our big truck, our semi. Come over here. Follow me. This one right here is a rare tractor. Right here. This one's a rare tractor because it's a Super MTA. Chad Parton gave it to me. Because it has more gears than the other Farmall. Show them the Farmall Super MTA.
Did?
Yeah.
And why don't you show them inside the big tractor?
And these tractors over here. So let me tell you a story about what we did with the engine in that one. What we did with the engine is that one. Somebody bought my grandpa's tractor like a long time ago, and now we bought it back, and we put this engine in it, and it's over there in the shed. I'll show that to you at the end of the video. So this is the inside of the Puma. That's the inside of the Puma. Can't see. It's a steering wheel. This is what you use to steer. This is what you use to use the bucket arm thing. And then yeah. Now let's go into the shed. Follow me. Oh yeah, and this is what we use to pull our pulling tractors in.
You have to show them in the combine too.
I know. This is a trusty old Ford, our service truck. This is our planter right here. This is an International planter right here. The wings on this, they go outward, but on this Kenzie right here, it swings like that end comes this way and that end goes that way, like swings out. And this is the fertilizer holder thingy. Here's the Case IH 620 right here. And all the birds, they poop on it. I've been trying to kill him. And here's the combine. This is what we use to harvest our corn. This is what we use to harvest our corn. Here's the inside of it, the screens, seats, steering wheel. Here. Okay. Now, come with me to the Magnum. This is the inside of the Magnum. Bird crap. This is the inside of the Magnum. Seats, steering wheel, screen. This is the track that we used to plant, and that tractor over there is what we used to plant too. This tractor runs that planter. That tractor runs the Kenji planter. And that right there is the seed hauler. Now, this is our bush hog tractor, and this is the bush hog right here. There's two types of headers. This is a corn head, which harvests corn. And now, we don't have the bean head here, but the bean head harvests beans. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything. Oh, come over here. Come over here to... This is... This is what we haul our grain in. Here, show Eddie. Show him the trailer. And right there's the disc. That's what we use to disc the ground. Now follow me over here. It's almost in the video because I'm showing you my grandpa's tractor. Oh, we put the motor from that tractor into here. Open the door. Is there gonna be yellow jackets or not? I don't want to go in here. That's my grandpa's tractor right there. Make sure you can see it. That one right there. International 248. Or no, yeah, wait. 284. International 284. Oh, look right here. These are the tires that used to be on my 25 horse tractor. Pulling tractor. These are tires that used to be on my 14 horses tractor. Well, I think that's all I have for you today. Bye.